She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hi guys, it's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. I will be updating you guys on my freeform line. This is actually my second set, and I'm going from a teeny weeny afro, a TWA, to freeform locks. Before I started from a big fro, this time I'm starting from a little fro, and this journey is super different. I definitely want to do a video comparing my first set of locks versus my second set of locks, because having freeform locks is like the ultimate wash and go. For this lock update, I just wanted to show you guys what a real authentic wash and go looks like. There's nothing you have to do when you start freeform locks but wash. And I mean, I guess you could do other things. You can condition your scalp, you can oil your scalp, but the gist of it is just no combs, no brushes, just to wash and go. An authentic, a real wash and go. Cause y'all know us naturals, y'all know the one, y'all know what them wash and goes are. A lie, okay? I used to call them wash and nose, because you spend all this time washing your hair, breaking products in, just for it either to be a hit or miss. I'm really enjoying my journey. I don't do anything to it but wash it, and on wash days I grease my scalp with a concoction that I've come up with to try to grow in my edges, and I do think it's working. My hair is getting very thick in certain areas. It's taking a little longer on my edges, but they are growing back. I do have a few locks. It's crazy because I feel like just getting out the shower, washing this, I came out with a few more. It's like the more you wash your hair, the more locks you will get. I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned and continue to watch this video.
So this is my hair before I get in the shower. Here's a back view, and as you can see, my hair is already separating, and I do have a few locks, guys. As dry as my hair looks, it is very soft. And I honestly can't keep my hands out my hair. Right now, guys, I am trying to show y'all all the different locks back here, but I can't see, so I'm just trying to find them. But as you can see, my curls are pretty much clumping together to make locks. At this point, I am experiencing major shrinkage, and I think I have 4A, 4B, 4C hair. You guys let me know what you think my curl pattern is. This is my hair washed. And I just want to let you guys know that I do not have a shape up. My hair was not shaped up after cutting my locks. At this point, my hair is damped, and I use an old t-shirt to let it dry. And after I get most of the water out, I let the rest air dry. This is my hair completely dry, and guys, it may look like I have stuff in my hair, but that is just gray hair.
So yeah guys, I do wash my hair once a week, and I am not using Dr. Bronner's. That was what I used in my first journey, but this journey I wanted to do what I originally started when I started my first journey. I started using this shampoo in my first journey. It's called Alafia, and they have a new bottle. It didn't look like this when I was using it, but it's pretty dope and it smelled so good. And I just remember using it the first like maybe months of me locking my hair, and then you know, you see on the internet and social media that Dr. Bronner's was like a really good soap to use on locks. So that's when I finished up this bottle, and then I went to Dr. Bronner's. And then using Dr. Bronner's, I realized for me, it's not a bad soap. I mean, it did the job. It got the job done. But I felt like I was wasting it because I would dilute it with water in a separate bottle and then wouldn't use all the bottles. So now I got like half the bottle still full. But because I wash my hair like monthly, I was wasting that, because now at this point you can't use that again, or I wasn't using that again. I say that to say I let that go and I went back to this, and oh my gosh, y'all, it smells so good. I get the tangerine citrus. It smells really good. It keeps my hair clean and it's slick. I think moisturizing. I ain't gonna lie, I don't put conditioners in my hair, but this stuff has like really good ingredients. Shea butter. Shea butter's in here, a whole bunch of different oils, so my hair is moisturized. And I don't know if that's, I don't know, I'm just saying it works for me. My hair is locking up. It's kind of moisturizing. It's not oily or anything, but it is kind of moisturizing. It makes my hair feel so soft, and I love it. I don't use conditioners. This is all that I use, and look guys, like it's still a lot in here. And I didn't have this bottle since like June. I'm not even June, like August. It's been with me since I started my journey, and I haven't had to get another bottle. So that's like really, really cool. And I don't have to dilute it. It makes my hair really, really clean, and it makes it smell good. I don't really rock my hair out. I literally rock it out for y'all, because y'all my family, you know. When I'm outside in the world, I really like to have my hair covered. I love scarves, so my hair is always covered 97% of the time. Even in the house sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. If it's not in the scarf, it's definitely in the bonnet. Y'all let me know if there's anything that y'all wanna know, any videos that you guys would like to see. If you have any questions, put your questions down below. I'm here to help, guys. Whatever you need to know about freeform locks, you know, I've been there, done that. This is my second go round. My first go round was super, super dope, but this go round is gonna be even doper. I do not plan on manipulating my hair at all. The first time I had a vision of what I wanted my locks to look like. So yes, they separated by themselves, but I was like, no, they need to not be this big, or I want them to look like Bob Marley, so I'm gonna separate this. I'm not doing that. I don't have any expectation on what they should look like. I just want them to be them and do them. I just want them to be. I just want to be free. I don't plan on ripping, popping, locking, dropping. No. I don't plan on manipulating, popping my locks, separating my locks. None of that. Freeform locks, well, they'll separate on their own, and that's what's gonna happen. And before, they separated on their own, but I kind of helped the process. And this time, I'm not doing it. I'm not separating my locks, so I'm super excited to see what they're gonna be. Let me know if you all like this video. Thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for being here. Yeah, have a good one. Bye. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.